Hello everyone. This video is about when wild animals invade your home. You won't believe what happened, and other trending videos that are on social media. This crocodile suddenly entered the house, shocking the whole house. Animals need to eat too. Chasing animals that enter the house. We welcome and greet the arrival of the elephants.
Hello, good morning.
Morning. 快来，穿拖鞋就行。
Come on.
嘿，你好能吃呀！
Animal caught on camera entering the house.
You take a picture.
Yeah, you take picture.
Bear caught on camera entering a house yard.
Whoa, they're so big. That looks like the papa one. That looks like the mama one.
Our grape.
The bear was starving, so it entered the house to look for food. In the yard there are animals looking for food.
Come here. This is great for you. Yeah. Good job. I got another one.
Nightly visitors from above. A king cobra snake enters the sewer of a house. Dare wanted to enter the house, but couldn't, so broke the window glass. A group of monkeys broke into the house.
Go away. 出去，不许进屋。
Maybe this bear is trying to get in but can't. The rabbit on the fan. Cats need entertainment too. Crocodile discovery in a residential area. Dare wants to enter the house by ringing the bell first.
No, how to go?别的根本不去。
房东家，哎呦我，
你拿回去养呗。
哥，开玩笑呢，
然后进村部了，
进村部了，我操，咱们这车是
吃着饭，所以跑进来。
今天这次有点凶。
他刚睡了吧？
别过来打。哦天！
Maybe the sandal is mistaken for a nest.
No, not further into the house. Out of the house. Come on, go out. Please go out. Go on. Thank you.
大哥，这啥玩意儿啊？哎喂，完了，来，完了，完了。Hello， 黑袋鼠这还是 ？This way, motherfucker！ 嘿，我操！
A thirsty and hungry squirrel.
Hello, kangaroo. Oh, what are you doing? Come on, baby. Let's go party.
哪一张有一在下面？
对呀，这里是他就在蹲在那边不动。
我等会儿。
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
A snake slithering on the wall. Uninvited guests command enter the house immediately.
I know, go away.
Sao sống nổi vậy trời? Chết rồi, bệnh chết. Trời ơi là trời, tôi sợ bà luôn rồi đó. Rồi, bệnh chết luôn.
I hope you were entertained and enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to click subscribe and like. Thank you.